Okay, to subtract these two fractions, I have to have common denominators, so I need to factor the denominators to know when they get, or how to get common denominators. So this is a difference of two squares, x squared minus 1 squared. So it's going to be x minus 1, x plus 1. And this one I can immediately factor it down since a is 1 here. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. B is just positive 2. That's going to be positive 3 times negative 1. That gives me negative 3, and add them gives positive 2. So this is going to be the same thing as x plus 3 and x minus 1 from these two answers we found. Okay, so this one is going to need an x plus 3. It doesn't have an x plus 3 at all. It's got an x minus 1, but it doesn't have an x plus 3. So I multiply top and bottom by x plus 3. And this one needs a the x plus 1 here on top and bottom. Okay, so we're going to get 2x times x plus 3 over x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1, minus 4 times x plus 1 over x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. So I have common denominators. I can subtract the numerators and go from there. I'm going to distribute that, and then I'm going to distribute the negative. I'm going to multiply the negative and the 4 together, and then distribute that into these two things. And then I'm going to add the numerators together. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 4 all over x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. Of course, at this point, we can see that x cannot equal negative 3. That gives us 0 from here, positive 1 here, and negative 1 there. All right, plus or minus 1. Those give us zeros in the denominator. Okay, on top, I get 2x squared. 6x minus 4 is plus 2x, and then minus 4, plus 3, minus 1, and plus 1. And now I can try and factor the numerator. So I can take out a 2, and then see if I can use the AC method on that one. So a is 1 here, so I can use the shortcut if possible. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. B is plus 1. Two numbers that add to give negative 2, or sorry, multiply to give negative 2, add to give positive 1. It's going to be positive 2 and negative 1. Negative 2 and add, give positive 1. Very good. So this is going to be the same thing as 2 times the quantity. This is now factored into x plus 2 from here, and then x minus 1 from there. And you can see that we can cancel an x minus 1. Okay, so my final answer then is going to be 2x plus 2 on top over x plus 3, x plus 1, where x cannot equal negative 3 and plus or minus 1. So that's my full solution.